You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this city in Spain. In Spain, locally, they would say it as ciudad, meaning a city, with the final D pronounced like TH, Ciudad Real, Real meaning royal, so this literally means the royal city. You can essentially pretty much also ignore the final D and say Ciudad Real, Ciudad Real. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.